They sit on the fucking door and shit on it. Race. This stencil's not going to work very well.
It's the thought that counts. Oh, yeah. Let's get some on the side skirts.
Flames.
Yeah.
Race car.
Fuck yeah. You ain't never seen race until you seen this. Never fucking know it was gone now.
Custom. Bird shit.
Right.
Paint the other mirror.
Where is the other mirror?
If you wish. Part of it. There's the other part of it. JDM as fuck. That tow mirror flying today, boys.
Boy, it does not like sticking to that shit.
Wood grain. Yes. See, you don't need to buy new shift knobs when you got a can of spray paint. Oh fuck, he painted my nice lighter. Fuck, man.
Radio delete.
Should have been black. You might not know is I own a window tinting business. So I think we're gonna give the old Celica some window tint. So this is only the highest quality window tint you can buy. It's Rust-Oleum. So let's see how she works out here. So even around here, if you want darker than 5%, we can give it to you. Celica's a rally car. We're gonna make her a fucking rally car, boys.
Which one's the really deep one?
This one's pretty deep. This one's the deep one. Should we go through her?
I don't care.
Get out.
Yeah.
Take a video of the thing. We're going through her. We're almost out of gas.
Give her the beans. All I heard was Celica and then no more noise.
I don't know if we can make it through this. This one's deep too. Where's reverse?
Can we make it around it?
That way.
be so much more fun with all 4 cylinders.
It's so much more fun if people can hear us and fucking move for us.
You know what? I don't think there's any better day than Dale's birthday to fucking end the Celica's life, because I think it's happening. There's a big rock out there somewhere. What's up there? I'm getting splattered as well.
I can't see where we're at. There's a tree behind us.
What's up that trail?
That's where that pond is. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here.
Where are we going now?
I don't know. I don't like driving. There's no scratches on it.
She's healthy.